How's it going, everyone? And welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll be teaching you guys how to restore a full backup on Cpanel. So without further ado, let's dive right in. So to actually do it is quite simple, and all you guys have to do, well rather the first thing that you have to do is log into your Cpanel account as an administrator. So what you're seeing on my screen here isn't actually Cpanel, I know that, it's WordPress, but once you guys have the Cpanel application open, you just want to log in as normal, and what you guys are basically looking for here is the backup tab. So to get to the backup tab, you basically want to follow this path here. So it goes cpanel, files, or the file section, and then you want to click on backup. So to show you guys what I mean, here's what it looks like. Simply click on backup, and cpanel will actually take you through a series of steps to actually restore your saved data or your backup data. So next, it should take you to a new page that looks a little something like this. So you either have the option to use an FTP or to do a full restoration of a backup website or a website backup. So what you would want to do is click on it simply, and here you get to choose the methods on how you wish to restore the backup website. So there's home directory, which accesses the root directory of your website. So there's a bit of web development in the mix here. Or you guys could use an FTP, so something like FileZilla to upload files or HTML files to your domain or your hosting site or whatever. So once you've made your selection, you want to enter the email address that's associated with your backup and click on Generate Backup. Now, a pop-up will appear that looks like this, telling you that it's fully at work, or I should say it's working in the background and is at work at restoring your website. And as you can see here, it actually makes your backup available for download. So you simply want to click on this link here so you can store a raw copy of the backup in your computer or whatever storage you want to save it in. So you can either click on this. And additionally, to restore a full backup or a cpmove file, you guys would want to navigate to the locales tab on the dashboard. So it's locales, and then you want to scroll down till you see the restore a full backup cpmove file. So you want to click on this, and then you want to click on restore a home directory backup. So browse, you can either use the same methods that I've shown before, either the home directory or the root folder, or using an FTP. So when you guys have that going, here's what it looks like, and even says restoring the files. So yeah, that's how you guys do it. So hopefully this video helped you guys out, and if it did, be sure to let us know down in the comment section below. And if you guys want to see more videos like these, we do have a YouTube channel where we do guides like these daily, so if you guys want to show your support that, you can do so by subscribing to the channel. So with all of that said, thank you all for watching, and we'll see you guys in the next one. Bye bye.